Let's solve for the value of x. Let's introduce log to both sides of this equation. And when we do that, we have log 16 to the power of x is equal to log 72. Now, when you have log a to the power of b, this is equal to b multiplied by log a. Okay, so we can bring this down to have x log 16 is equal to log 72. All right, now we are going to divide both sides of this equation by log 16. Okay, so we have x log 16 divided by log 16 is equal to log 72 divided by log 16. Now log 16 we cancel log 16, so we have x is equal to log 72 divided by log 16. Okay, now we can express log 72 as what? 72 is same thing as 8 multiplied by 9. So we can write this as log 8 multiplied by 9 divided by log 16. All right, so when you have log a b, that is log a multiplied by b, this is the same thing as log a plus log b. Please watch to the end because we are going to substitute the value we got into the main equation to prove that is correct. And trust me, that's the most interesting part of this video. Please don't miss out. Okay, all right, thank you. Now we have x is equal to, so we are going to have log 8 plus log 9 everything divided by log 16. Okay, now we have x is equal to log 8 divided by log 16 plus log 9 divided by log 16. Okay, note that 8 is same thing as 2 times 2 times 2, okay, which is same thing as 2 to the power of 3. All right, and similarly 16 is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, all right, which is equal to 2 to the power of 4. Now 9 is equal to 3 times 3, which is same thing as 3 squared. So we are going to substitute all this into this equation. Okay, so we can now write x is equal to log 2 to the power of 3 divided by log 2 to the power of 4, okay, plus log 3 to the power of 2 divided by log 16. All right, now we have x is equal to, so this will come down according to the power rule. We've discussed this before. So we have 3 log 2 divided by 4 log 2, okay, plus we have 2 log 3 divided by, oh, I didn't change this, divided by this same thing as 4 log, this is same thing as this, right? So it's going to be the same thing as 4 log 2. So let's write that 4 log 2. So we have x is equal to 3 over 4 log 2, we cancel log 2, right? So we have just 3 over 4 remaining, plus now 2 we divide itself to give us 1, and we divide 4 to give us 2. So we are going to have half log 3 divided by log 2. Okay, but I want us to recall or remember that log a divided by log b is equal to log a base b. All right, so that means we can rewrite this as x is equal to 3 over 4 plus half log 3 base 2. Okay, now this is the value of x. Like I said, let's prove that this is correct, okay? And that is the most interesting aspect of this video. All right, so the question says that 16 raised to the power of x is equal to 72. All right, and we got x as what? We got x as 3 over 4 plus half log 3 base 2. So we are going to substitute that now. So we have 16 to the power of 3 over 4 plus half log 3 base 2 is equal to 72. Now, to prove this is easy but tactical, okay? So let's do that. Now, recall that when you have a to the power of m plus n, okay, that this is same thing as a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n, right? Right. So we can now rewrite this as 16 to the power of 3 over 4 multiplied by 16 to the power of half log 3 divided by 2. And this is equal to 72. Okay? All right. Now, let's change both sides, both base to base 2. All right. So we have 2 to the power of 4, because 16 is same thing as 2 to the power of 4, raised to the power of 3 over 4 multiplied by 2 to the power of 4 raised to the power of half log 3 base 2 is equal to 72. Okay, now when you have a more than one power on a base, right, you can multiply them together. So this, we cancel this. We have 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of, this will become 2, right, log 3 base 2 is equal to 72. Now we have 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by, okay, when you have a raised to the power of, okay, before that, let's take this to this place so that I don't confuse you. So we have 2 to the power of log 3 squared, right? This is coming up. Base 2 is equal to 72. Now we have 2 to the power of 3, okay, multiplied by 2 raised to the power of log 3 squared is 9, okay, base 2 is equal to 72. Now when you have a to the power of log b base a, this is equal to b, okay, that is a law in logarithm. So we have 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by, therefore since this and this are the same, everything is equal to 9, is equal to 72. Now 2 to the power of 3 is 8 multiplied by 9 is equal to 72, and 8 times 9 is 72. So 72 is equal to 72. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.